Welcome to this tutorial on the Splunk SPL Delete Command. The Delete Command is a powerful tool that allows you to remove events from your search results without affecting the original data stored in your Splunk index. This command is particularly useful when you want to filter your analysis by excluding certain events while keeping your source data completely intact and safe. There are two fundamental concepts to understand about the Delete Command. First, it only affects your search results. The events are removed from the current pipeline of results you're working with, not from the underlying index. Second, your original index data remains completely safe and untouched. This means you can always run the same search again later and retrieve all the original events, including those you previously deleted from your results. The basic syntax for the delete command is straightforward. You simply pipe your search results to the delete command using the vertical bar operator. For example, if you search for web index events with status 404, you can pipe those results to delete to remove all of those error events from your current results. The delete command removes all filtered events from the current search results pipeline. You can combine the delete command with conditional statements for more precise filtering. In the first example, we search the web index, use a where clause to filter for events where status is not equal to 200, then delete those non-successful requests from our results. In the second example, we search the app index, filter for events older than 1 hour using the relative time function, and then delete those older events. This gives you fine-grained control over which events to remove. The delete command has two primary use cases in Splunk analysis. First, it enables focused analysis by removing noise events, allowing you to concentrate on specific patterns or anomalies in your data. When you have a large dataset with many irrelevant entries, delete helps you zoom in on what matters most. Second, it's excellent for result cleanup, filtering out irrelevant entries before passing your results to downstream commands in your search pipeline. This makes your subsequent analysis more efficient and meaningful. Let's recap the key points about the delete command. First, delete removes events from search results only. Your original index data is never affected. Second, your original index data remains completely safe, ensuring data integrity at all times. Third, it's perfect for focused analysis workflows where you need to narrow down your dataset. Finally, use delete with conditions for precise filtering, giving you exact control over which events to remove from your analysis. Remember, the delete command is a results-level operation that enhances your analysis without compromising your source data. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.